Slovakia is a land where every day can bring a new adventure. We've spent just 4 days here with my family, but created memories that will last forever. You can do the same, just join us. After a scenic drive, we arrived at our hike starting point. We kept our hike relaxed, enjoying nature and our time together. There was so much to see: meadows, rivers, and forests all around us. Following the rocky trail, we knew something special was waiting ahead, and there it was, Popradské Pleso. As we are approaching the lake, the views are only getting better and better. It's a perfect spot for a well-deserved rest. After enjoying the views and getting some rest, we continued our relaxed hike. We didn't want to reach the highest peak. Everyone has their own Everest. We were already enjoying the journey. The higher we went, the harder the path became, but the beauty around us made it worth it. While a part of our family took a well-deserved break, we kept climbing higher. We wanted to push ourselves and go as far as we could. At our limit, we took in the breathtaking views before heading back down to our family. Filled with new memories, we set off for home. After a tiring but satisfactory hike, we wanted to relax, so we decided to climb another mountain, but this time on a cable car. The ride itself is enjoyable for our tired muscles, but the views were even better and got better and better till we reached the peak. Welcome to Chopok, which is 2,000 meters high. We couldn't resist the pleasure and had a lunch at the top. You can spend a lot of time here. Filled with impressions from a seemingly simple trip, we headed down. It's impossible not to be happy seeing these beautiful views. Tomorrow another adventure is waiting for us, but these days we will never forget. Today we want to explore other part of Slovakia. We are taking on a road trip to a castle that grows from a rock like a mushroom. The castle was built in the 13th century and still perfectly fits into surrounding its nature. In the castle we can see an exhibition of various items once used by its inhabitants and even listen to live classical music. Our next stop is going to be an open train ride. The weather gave us a small surprise, a lot of rain along the way, but we decided to continue and hope for our luck. Even being adults, we still like trains very much, and especially if we have a chance to see beautiful landscapes on the journey. We take a train to enjoy that. How could you not enjoy a relaxed, slow ride on a steam train through the forest? Staying dry was in our plans, but the weather seems to surprise us. We got very wet on this journey, but still very happy. Today we are embracing the water instead of running from it. Welcome to Tatralandia, where getting wet is guaranteed. We may be adults, but not today. Today we're kids again, and no responsibilities, just fun. We often chase big experiences, but sometimes the simplest moments, like an easy flow down the tube, are the ones we remember most. Turns out the fast track to great memories often involves a steep, watery drop and a very loud scream. Every place we went to in Slovakia was different, but each moment was special in its own way. Adventure isn't just about where you go, it's about how you experience it. The best memories are made when you embrace the moment.